Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. This week's Closing Bell is brought to you by the American Gelbvieh Association. The June trade data was released this week and indicated that beef exports have continued to run below year-ago levels, down 2.4% from last June. This puts total beef exports down 4% for the first half of the year. Beef exports were the highest so far for the year in June, though, and moving forward, exports should be about steady with year-ago, as the year in total is still only expected to be down 5%. Beef imports continue to be large, with June up about 16% compared to year ago. This puts first half beef imports up 19%, or 350 million pounds compared to 2023. Import increases have been led by Australia, but there have been increases from every country aside from Mexico so far this year. Expect imports to stay large through the second half as U.S. beef production will continue to decline due to tighter fed supplies and continued smaller cow slaughter. Pork exports were down 10% in June compared to last year, but in total are still running 3% above year ago in the first half. Exports should remain large due to strong production and weakening pork prices in the second half, but the global economy is a risk as Mexico and the rest of the world have seen smaller pork imports the past 2 months now. Broiler exports also came in smaller, down 6% in June and down 9% through the first 6 months. In total, this puts U.S. protein exports down 3% from year ago through the first half. Protein imports are running 17% above year ago, mainly due to the increased beef imports. Turning to this week's markets, moderate fed cattle cash trade took place in the north at mostly $193 live and $305 dressed, which is $3 softer live and $5 softer dressed. Light to moderate trade was seen in the south at $185 to $187 live, with the bulk of the trade at $186, which is mostly $2 softer than last week. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.